Hello guys, this is Hard Reset Info and today I will show you how to change background on Snapseed. To change an image background, first we choose the background, then we go to Tools. Here we look for double exposure. Here we choose second image. We make the background darker. We save. Now we can't see the background at all, but we edit layers. Here we click on double exposure. We want to edit, and now just paint a little spot. Where is the person? Click save. And it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.